In this video, we'll be looking at the FizzBuzz interview question in Java. My name is Larry, and this is Digital Logic. To get started, you'll need to download the project from GitHub. A link is in the description below. I've also provided a link to an introduction video to the series, which will walk you through setting up your development environment. With that out of the way, let's get started. So I've already got the project open in IntelliJ. So I'll open the project browser and find the FizzBuzz class. For this challenge, you need to write a method that will return an array of strings containing the values from 1 to n, except for each number that is divisible by 3, store fizz. Each number that is divisible by 5, store buzz. And each number that is divisible by both 3 and 5, store FizzBuzz. The following examples demonstrate the expected output for the provided input. Once you have a solution that you're ready to test, you can press Ctrl-Shift-T to open up the testing class. Then click on the little icon next to the class name to run the test. The testing class will pick up any public method that you define that matches the expected signature, so you can provide multiple solutions, and the testing class will test all of them. So go ahead and pause the video here and try to come up with a solution to this challenge. When you're ready to continue, come back here and we'll walk through a couple different solutions. Welcome back. So I'll start by creating some extra space and then delete the return null statement. Then I'll create a new string array, result equals new string. I'll set the length to n. Now I'll create a for loop, init I equals 1. Set the execution condition to while I is less than or equal to n, and then increment I. Now what I want to do is test for the most specific case first, and then work my way to the least specific. So I'll start with if I is evenly divided by both 3 and 5. So I'll create an if statement, then I %3 equals 0. The percent symbol is the modulus operator, and it returns the remainder of a division. So if I can be evenly divided by 3, the modulus operator will return the value 0. Now we need to check if I can also be divided by 5. If this statement is true, then we need to store the value FizzBuzz in the result array at position I-1. Now create an else if statement to check if I can be divided by 3 alone. And then store the value fizz in the result array at position I-1. And now check if I can be evenly divided by 5. And then store buzz in the result array at position I-1. If none of the previous conditions are true, then we just need to store the string value of I in the result array. And I'll use the string.valueOf method to convert the integer into a string. And then return the result array. Now press Ctrl-Shift-T to open up the testing class, and then run the test. And the solution has passed the test. Make sure to have Show Passing checked to see the passing tests. For the next solution, I'm going to use the Streams API to generate the array of strings. So I'll create a new public static method, and I'll call it initStream. And then return initStream.range. The first parameter defines the start of the range inclusively, so I'll specify 1. The second parameter defines the end of the range exclusively, so add 1 to n. Now we need to transform the string of integers into a stream of strings, so call map_to_object. And then pass in a new lambda with a single parameter I. This next step is going to be identical to the previous solution, so I'm just going to copy and paste the if-else control structure, and then remove the assignment to the result array. You can press Alt-Shift to create multiple cursors, and then replace it with a return statement. And I'm also going to get rid of these else statements. since they're not needed anymore. So now we just need to transform the stream of strings into a single array. So call toArray, pass in a string array method reference to new. Press Shift F10 to rerun the test. And it is passing the test. All right, that is it for this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe. If you want to support the creation of these videos, then check out my Patreon page. A link is in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.